Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to be talking about this next project called MetalSwap, and I'm going to walk you guys through the website, walk you guys through the white paper, and all the exciting things going on with this project. But as always, make sure to do your own research, figure out if this project is for you. So we'll talk about all the new exciting features. I'm going to talk about how you guys could get free airdrops of up to 150% of the free testnet tokens. Ton to talk about today, so let's go MetalSwap. Here we're on the website at metalswap.finance. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check this out yourself. I love their tagline that says iron out the risk and strike gold. So we'll talk about what that means, kind of go over some of their documentation, check out their price, check out some of their socials, kind of go through. They have some great Medium articles that walk you guys through what this project is about, some use cases, and then I'll talk about how you guys can be involved. So decentralize your financial instrument using the blockchain. So we'll talk a little bit about this, but if you guys are interested in getting this, there's a bunch of links here that teach you guys how to get XMT, which is a cool tagline. Again, this is available. They make it available through the Binance Smart Chain. You can even get it through Uniswap. So really cool. Lots of options for you guys. You guys are pretty familiar with this process. They actually have all the links on here, so you can make sure that you're buying what you're supposed to. So let's talk about what this product is about and how it stands apart from the rest. Decentralized platform that allows hedging swaps on financial markets with the aim of providing coverage to those who work with commodities and investing opportunity. They aim to implement the financial swap transaction between two assets through decentralized IT structure. And they kind of talk about how this works: circular economy, fair market prices, and reward system. Obviously, having rewards to incentivize you guys is definitely important. So definitely check this out if you guys are interested. But essentially, they have the swap, which essentially provides coverage on commodities. They have staking pools on Ethereum and BNB as well. Obviously, they have both the tokens available on both places. And then they also have a bridge swap from ETH to BNB and vice versa. So really cool. Again, I'm not going to go over all of this today. I'll put links here so you guys can check this out. I did want to focus a bit on the testnet. That's because you guys are going to be able to get up to some tokens to check out for yourself. It says MetalSwap's platform on Covan's testnet. This webpage offers a beta preview of the future MetalSwap functionalities aimed at collecting user suggestions and testing the economic model of hedging swaps in a decentralized environment. So we're going to check that out in a second, and I'll teach you guys how you guys get some tokens. To participate in a testnet group, you'll need to have at least some Covan test ETH and test USD and test WBTC in your wallet using the following faucets. I love these idea of the faucets. If you guys are not familiar, there's some links, and you guys can check out the links here, but they'll essentially will some websites that allow you to get some test tokens, so you can do it. And obviously the faucets, the idea is that you have to, obviously with these transactions, there's some like gas involved with it, but they give you them for free, like a very small amount to cover the gas fee. So that's great. They also have a DAO. Holders of the governance tokens can express their opinion of the worthiness of the proposals, and then of course voting, so you can be a part of the project. And here's the tokenomics. So remember, their symbol is XMT. Kind of break down how this is broken out, and of course they talk about like why Ethereum and things like that. I think we don't need to go over that today. Obviously, we're all big fans of Ethereum. Why MetalSwap exists: erosion of profit margins due to persistent demand, purchasing efficiency improvements, excessive price volatility, and commitment to purchase volume. So again, if you guys want to learn more about this and kind of the future, cost minimized, trustless, decentralized system, no need for bank coverage, and market open 24/7. So again, check this out if you guys are interested. There's over 2,000 holders. I'll put the link in the description for you guys to check that out. But let's check out some of these other things. This is the testnet. We'll check that out in a second. Here's the white paper, 21 pages if you guys want to check out all this information, kind of talking about the background, everything that they're trying to do, how it works, kind of the step-by-step process. They have lots of great charts just talking about their infrastructure and what it's comprised of. Again, I'm not going to go through the technical details of this, but it's great that they provide this level of transparency for you guys. So cool. Here was an important just like update. Again, they want to make sure that you guys feel safe and secure when buying this. So they just talked about this Medium article, which is their Surtech audit, kind of talking about not only the process itself, but how they did. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested. They talked about their private round, which went really well. Private sale reached the 8 million target. That's great. These tokens are 20% locked, 8% locked in 6 months linear vesting period. That's great. They are listed on CoinMarketCap. Obviously, it's everything is lots of stuff is down right now, so it's hard to gauge what this looks like. But a lot of people, I guess how I do it is like obviously a lot of things are down, but Bitcoin, Ethereum's down. But the idea is, what do people feel about the project? What's kind of the general sense of it? That's why we say join the community if you guys are interested. Test out their products. That's why it's great that they're doing the test net to kind of get a general feel of how it's going. Because even though the token price is down, which like everything else is, if people still feel positive about this project, spoiler, which people do, check out their Twitter, check out their socials. I think it's great. So again, I'll put these links in the description so you guys can check it out yourself, but we'll kind of jump into some more information about this and obviously the testnet, etc. But again, if you guys want to check out some of the latest partnerships, you guys can. So here's kind of like one of the bigger updates was testnet phase 3 live. They had 1 and 2 already. Grounded, we declare phase 3 of MetalSwap's test open. As you may notice, Coven app on test.metalswap finance is back with a brand new look and makeup. That's the link that I clicked earlier. We'll check that in a second. And then they kind of remind you guys about like the faucets. Coven ETH can be requested here to pay transaction fee in Coven, and then USD test and can be airdrop regularly in the months of July through our form. So here they have a form right here, MetalSwap testnet form. All you have to do is enter your email, your address, your Telegram name, and then you just write this code to make sure that you're human, and then you could be a part of it. And it's really easy to be involved in this. And I think it's awesome when projects like this kind of give you guys opportunity to kind of check out some of these their capabilities before obviously it's released. And again, if you guys have any feedback, or definitely check it out. So it says there are 2 ways of interacting with their test tokens obtained through the airdrop. Liquidity providing. So this is some of the screenshots. Again, this is what you would see if you were logged in. Obviously, they have some things that they're testing. 2 liquidity positions in 2 NFTs. So they kind of give the example there of these NFTs. They're just examples of these MetalSwap NFTs. One's Bitcoin and one is, I guess, Tether. The screen has been clean modernized. What a site. So again, we obviously didn't know what it looked like before, but it's been updated. They're always making improvements. Participate in liquidity pools with your tokens to allow other users to open new swaps on the other side. An NFT representing your locked liquidity will be then minted with some beautiful features about its rarities. Then they also talk about swaps opening. So it says, open our commodity swap and cover your profits over certain price volatility. So you can kind of see what it's look like. Obviously, we're looking at Bitcoin right here, and then WBTC wrapped Bitcoin, and kind of the price trend of this. Hopefully, this was probably taken a little while ago. It might be a little bit lower than that. And again, iron out the risk and strike gold, so you can kind of see what this looks like. The target size, expiration dates, the cover, liquidity, reward, and then you just have to click the big open swap button. It says at the end of the test that your collected XMT-T3 will be exchanged for real. So this is important. Why are you doing this? We exchange for real XMT on Polygon network. Mainnet with a ratio that we decide at the end of the testnet. What a time to be on DeFi. So that's the benefit of it. Obviously, you're testing now, but anything you've collected will be exchanged for real XMT, which is obviously worth value. So that's great. And again, that's kind of wanted to bring it up today. I think it's an exciting thing, exciting opportunity by helping them out. They plan to help you out. So definitely check out this article, fill out the form. It's just a simple Google form. I'll put a link in the description so you guys gotta check this out. And then if you guys are interested in checking this out, they have like a use case that kind of talks about this. This one was like a Bitcoin miner use case. So let's say you're a Bitcoin miner, work on Bitcoin's proof of work. You sold all your production and profit. Now you have a client asking for 1 Bitcoin to be sold next month. You both agree and sell 1 Bitcoin at today's price. this was today's price, 41,000. I wish it was 41,000. But the actual exchange happens 4 weeks from now. This may be because the Bitcoin has been mined. You're anxious that the price will be changing in within a month. In fact, if the price of Bitcoin were to raise 50,000, you lose more than 8,000 just for billing the customer in advance. Yes. that's why hedging tools needed. Now let's solve the problem together through the main app, now live on Coleman's test network. Obviously, they click this link, it takes you back to what we were the testnet online, the original article. Our platform runs on Ethereum network, and the most used ERC20 token pegged on BTC is WBTC. We're going to fix and use our commodity swap at the price. So they kind of talk about this. Remember, we took a peek at this earlier. So the commodity in this case is WBTC, coin USDT, and this target size is 41,000, 30 days, and the cover was 20%. You can see that here. I don't know if it's, 20% right there, and then there's the cover. So it says, liquidity reward is automatically calculated on given, in this case, 6,700 XMT. That's the liquidity reward. That's a lot of XMT. Remember, we look at the price and how much that is, like 13 cents each. To open this position on MetalSwap's platform, the miner will pay a premium of 7,486 USDT plus the 8,007 USDT cover as a margin to keep your position open whenever the price is going against your commodity price. Once the swap is closed automatically after its expiration date, the cover will be returned. If the swap is closed manually before the cover, there will be a penalty, obviously. If you want to keep your swap open, the dashboard shows the price and must never be on the threshold of 35,000. Yep, that's that number here, 35,000. Our position will be liquidated over the whole cover is eroded. We will show you how to manage this later. You'll see the word USD swap allowed under swap balancer. Means that available liquidity allows a new swap to be open. Everything double checked. Then you just execute swap button, confirm your transaction, and it'll be summarized on the current active swap. It just shows all the details in case you're doing multiple ones. And then you could also click it if you guys want to learn more. So in this case, if the price goes down with time, it erodes 8,270 USD cover, but we're getting profits on our already sold BTC. If the price of commodity swap exceeds 41,385, this position goes in profit, giving us the difference between our already sold BTC and its new price. So you get double. Simplified, MetalSwap is used to fix price over time, allows to avoid going under a certain threshold to manage over time. So then they have active swap, adding cover from 20 to 38%. See the above two buttons we can use before swap expires: refinance swap or close swap. If you use close, you open swap in advance for whatever reason, there will still be a penalty. If the price comes to close to our threshold, we don't have to close our risk liquidation. We can adjust the bar by adding some money to cover and keep our position safer. So that's cool. So that's essentially refinance. And you click refinance, add more margin to our active swap. So right, if you still think everything will be fine, you can still refinance because remember, you don't have to pay the penalty if you close it. XMT rewards for using MetalSwap's app, and our premium already paid to MetalSwap to our position go straight to the spot market to buy more XMT. And then bonus, to get USDT and WC tokens on Coast testnet, complete this form. Some of the tokens will be airdropped periodically. Come and see how the swap goes in 30 days. So I know that they're going to do a swap or airdrop soon. So if you guys are interested, definitely check this out. Definitely follow them on Twitter. I know I kind of just went through that really quickly, but I kind of wanted to show you guys what this is all about and kind of what they're trying to do here. Obviously, it would be great if you guys are interested to learn more about this. Check out their website. They have a lot of great articles on their Medium. And again, if you guys have any questions, definitely ask them in their community. They have a great Telegram where definitely people are always engaged. And I think it's a great idea. If you guys want to learn more about this, you can obviously check out the testnet itself. And then if you guys want to click the results, they kind of talk about some of the great results that they have. Tons of other use cases if you guys are interested as well. But again, that's MetalSwap. I do think even though crypto is down, there's good opportunities like this, that even though you have to do things on your end with a test net, that overall in the long term, it's definitely going to help you out and help out your portfolio, and you'll become better traders and kind of understand how this all works, and hopefully continue to use this for the future. But so here we are at MetalSwap. This is the test app. Like I said, I think it looks really cool. You can switch between the current coin. I'm just looking at Ethereum here, which is actually up, so that's great. Obviously, you could see all the, remember we talked about this in detail, where you could iron out the risk and strike gold. This is really cool. Again, like I really like the visuals and how this looks. My wallet's connected, as you can see. Again, if you guys are interested in checking this out, fill out this Google form. All you have to do is enter your information here, your testnet address, your Telegram account, and then they have you verify some code. But if you actually go back to this, it says to participate in testnet, you'll have to first of all have the following tokens in in your address. It says Kovan ETH can be requested here to pay for any transaction fee on Kovan. So this is, again, like I said, the faucet, where all you have to do is connect your wallet. You can do MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Let me just connect my wallet really quickly. And like I said, your wallet's connected to Ethereum Kovan. You're requesting link ETH. If you need testnet tokens for different networks, switch the network in your wallet. So again, this is your request, and they're going to ask some things to verify and make sure that you are a human being. I am a human being. So I'm just going through this. These are all boats to me. Cool. Send the request, initializing, and then it's waiting for confirmation. It says transaction has been initiated, waiting for confirmation. So request type, I'm request 20 test link, and request type 0.1 test ETH. So again, it's waiting for confirmation. So I'm just going to leave it here for a second to wait to see that it goes through. I don't think this is going to take very long. So congratulations, 20 test link and 0.1 test ETH has been sent to your account. So that's great. So it says MetalSwap, USDT, and WBTC test airdrop regularly during the month of July through our form compiling. So like I said, that's the form that we had to fill out here. And like I said, they do that regularly during the month. So all you have to do is just fill it out. Like I said, it's super easy to do. And it says we're airdropping to every eligible address. And then again, they want to make sure that you're adding the contract address in here. And then make sure, this was kind of what I was hinting at earlier, was like, because you'll be rewarded with an actual token worth value. Just make sure that you add it to your wallet, because it's not going to pop up automatically. That's XMTT3, and then there's the contract address. So again, fairly easy. And then once you have that in, obviously you could see right there, I have 0.1 ETH to check it out. And then obviously you could go through the test and kind of see how this works. So again, definitely check it out if you guys are interested. Remember to fill out that form. I'll put the link in the description. So thanks.